Hey babes, so today in my design braid series, I'll be showing you how I do these Fulani braids. I've been doing these since I was 11 years old, and back then I don't think they had a name yet, but yeah, if you're interested, keep watching. So I start this style how I start every style, with a part in the middle. I'll be working in sections because that's a braider's secret to tackling any style. And I did my first section off camera to get the hang of it before I started filming. Now you want to keep it simple because Fulani braids are all about elegance with some flair to it. So I start with this simple L-shaped part, and I like to do my edges before I start braiding so that I don't accidentally grab them in the process. And here I'm doing the first braid in the shape of that part. It seems simple enough, but if you're a fine-haired girly like me, my biggest advice for this style is patience. Your hair won't do what thick hair will do, and that's okay. So moving on, I know that I need to do the opposite of the first braid for this particular Fulani design. So I part it downward from the middle and then backwards from my edges. I didn't show it on camera, but a huge tip is to make sure you're adding some braid gel or edge control as you part to smooth your hair so that both parting and braiding are seamless. And again, I just braid in the direction of my parting. And if you haven't gotten the idea yet, I'm doing the same thing over and over, parting in the opposite direction of my previous braid. If you need to start with a straight part and then curve it out like I'm doing here, go for it. Whatever you need to do to get that curved Fulani part. I like to try and make it as simple as possible. And there's the braid I did off camera to speed this up. Lastly, I do one last curved braid in that small section to finish it up. And that's it, guys. I did the other half off camera and I tried to make it identical because I'm all about symmetry, and that's what Fulani braids basically are. So what do you think? Did I get it right? It's been at least 12 years since I've done this style on myself, so I hope I nailed it. As always, let me know if you try this and like this video if you're a real friend. Later, babes!